Peanut Fu Zhu Snack Sachet packaging machine is manufactured by Shanghai Fubo Machine Company. Peanut Fu Zhu Snack Sachet packaging machine is equipment with two volumetric cup, which can pack two kinds of materials. This product is suitable for mixed foods with granular shapes. This machine can accomplish forming bag, measuring, material filling, sealing, counting, date code printing, all the work automatically. This machine can be installed to code printed for 1 to 3 lines characters such as production date and expiry date according to your requirement.